Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and cherished families, I stand before you today to shed light on a topic of utmost importance: financial planning for families. In this extensive discourse, I aim to provide you with a captivating and enlightening experience, brimming with intricate details and compelling facts that will empower you to take charge of your financial well-being. Financial planning serves as the bedrock for the prosperity and stability of every household. It encompasses a comprehensive approach to managing money, setting financial goals, and formulating strategies to achieve those goals. Without a well-thought-out financial plan, families may find themselves grappling with mounting debts, encountering unforeseen financial crises, and missing out on opportunities to secure their future. Allow me to delve into the key aspects of financial planning for families, arming you with a wealth of facts, statistics, and actionable insights that will empower you to take control of your finances and make informed decisions. Budgeting. At the heart of effective financial planning lies the art of budgeting. Creating a meticulous budget allows families to meticulously track their income and expenses, gain a comprehensive understanding of their financial landscape, identify areas for potential savings, and allocate resources effectively. Surprisingly, according to a survey conducted by the U.S. Federal Reserve, only 40% of Americans would be able to cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing or selling assets. Budgeting helps families avoid such precarious situations, providing a solid foundation for financial stability and growth. Emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is paramount to financial security. It serves as a safety net during unexpected events such as job loss, medical emergencies, or major home repairs. Experts recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible savings account. Astonishingly, a study by Bankrate in 2020 found that 31% of Americans had no emergency savings, while only 21% had enough to cover 6 months of expenses. Establishing an emergency fund safeguards families from falling into debt and grants them peace of mind during turbulent times. Debt management. Debt can act as a significant roadblock on the path to financial freedom. Understanding the types of debt, such as credit card debt, student loans, or mortgages, is crucial. By implementing effective debt management strategies, families can reduce debt, improve credit scores, and alleviate financial stress. According to the Federal Reserve's Consumer Credit Report, total U.S. household debt reached $14.95 trillion in 2021, emphasizing the critical need for families to adopt prudent debt management practices. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is essential to ensure a comfortable and secure future. Families should explore retirement savings options such as employer-sponsored 401k plans, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and other investment vehicles. Compounded interest and tax advantages make early and consistent contributions to retirement accounts particularly advantageous. Astonishingly, a study by the Economic Policy Institute revealed that the median retirement savings for families aged 56 to 61 was only $21,000, highlighting the urgency for families to prioritize retirement planning and take advantage of compound growth over time. Insurance coverage. Adequate insurance coverage serves as a shield, protecting families from unforeseen circumstances that can wreak havoc on their finances. Health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance are just a few examples of policies families should consider to mitigate risks and safeguard their financial well-being. Surprisingly, a report by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, indicated that 8.5% of Americans, 26.1 million people, were uninsured in 2020, underscoring the importance of prioritizing insurance coverage for families. Investment strategies. Investing wisely is a crucial component of long-term financial planning. Families can explore different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate to grow their wealth over time. However, it is important to conduct thorough research, diversify investments, and seek professional advice to make informed investment decisions. A study by Gallup in 2020 found that only 55% of Americans reported owning stocks, emphasizing the need for greater financial education and empowerment regarding investment opportunities. Education planning. Saving for your children's education is a vital aspect of financial planning. With the rising costs of tuition, having a dedicated education savings plan, such as a 529 plan, can help families prepare for their children's future educational expenses. Astonishingly, the College Board reported that the average published tuition and fees for in-state students at public four-year institutions increased by 3.5% per year over the last decade. By incorporating education planning into their financial strategy, families can equip their children with the tools and resources needed for a successful future. Estate planning. While the topic of estate planning may not always be the most pleasant to discuss, it is crucial for families to protect their assets and ensure their wishes are carried out. Creating a will, establishing a power of attorney, and designating beneficiaries are crucial steps families must take to provide financial security and avoid legal complications. Surprisingly, a survey conducted by Caring.com in 2020 found that only 32% of U.S. adults had a will or living trust in place, underscoring the need for greater awareness and action in estate planning. By embracing these key aspects of financial planning, families can pave the way for a brighter and more prosperous future. It is essential to remember that financial education is a lifelong journey, and continuous learning is paramount to adapt to evolving economic landscapes and new financial challenges that may arise. In conclusion, I hope that today's extended and meticulously detailed speech has provided you with a wealth of information, insights, and actionable steps toward mastering the art of financial planning for families. By implementing these strategies, families can navigate the complexities of personal finance, achieve their goals, and secure a better future for themselves and their loved ones. Let us embark on this transformative journey together, empowering ourselves with knowledge and equipping ourselves with the tools to make informed financial decisions. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, as we conclude this enlightening discourse on financial planning for families, I would like to take a moment to share an additional opportunity for you to continue your journey towards financial education and empowerment. I invite each and every one of you to subscribe to our channel, Financial Education, where we provide a wealth of valuable content, insights, and practical guidance on various aspects of personal finance. By subscribing to our channel, you will gain access to a plethora of videos that delve deeper into the topics we have discussed today and cover a wide range of financial subjects, from budgeting and investing to retirement planning and debt management. Through our channel, we strive to empower individuals and families with the knowledge and tools necessary to make informed financial decisions, achieve their goals, and secure a better future. Our aim is to provide engaging and educational content that simplifies complex financial concepts and guides you towards financial success. By subscribing to our channel, you will stay up to date with the latest videos, ensuring that you never miss out on valuable insights and expert advice. We encourage you to engage with the content, ask questions, and share your experiences in the comments section. Together, we can foster a community of like-minded individuals committed to financial education and personal growth. Thank you for your attention today, and we look forward to welcoming you to our channel, Financial Education. Remember, knowledge is power, and together, we can embark on a transformative journey towards financial freedom.